Hello and welcome to the Downliner. In this video, I'm going to be doing a short but detailed tutorial on how to use the Downliner, get your account set up. That way you can start generating some traffic to your website or your business. Okay, so if you are new to the Downliner, you're going to want to watch this video all the way to the end. So the first thing you want to do is log into your account. And while logging in, you're going to be approached with the login ad. If you're interested in what you see, you can simply enter your email or click around. If not, you'll simply click this black box and continue to members area. All right, and once you've done that, it's going to take you right into your dashboard, okay? So this is really simple and pretty straightforward, and I'm just going to walk you through it step by step, okay? So the first thing you want to do after creating your account is you're going to go over here to Member, and you're going to click on Settings. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to enter your details for your payment processor. So you're just going to choose the best way that you would like to be paid, and you will enter that information here. Then you will choose if you want to receive an email when you run out of views for your campaigns. And then you're simply going to enter your username for all of the partner programs. Okay, so if you're a member of any of these websites that you see here, you'll simply enter your username. And if you're not, you're going to click join here. Okay, now you don't have to join if it's something you're not interested in. You don't have to join, but keep in mind if you don't join and you leave it blank as I've done here, you're going to miss those signups for people who do join when they join you behind in the Downliner. Okay, so just keep that in mind. If you're already a member, just enter your username, and if not, just join the program. And then you're simply going to click Update Profile. Okay, so once you've got that set up, you're going to head back to the dashboard. All right, and as you can see, these are just stats right here to let you know how many co-op views you have, your commissions available, if your co-op views are cleared, your shop points, your purchase balance, and the total amount of views the site has gotten all together, okay? So if you want to know what something means, all you have to do is click on the little question mark on each one and read it, and it's going to remind you exactly what each one means. Okay, so the way that you advertise on the Downliner is you need shop points. Okay, and the way you earn shop points, you have two ways. You can earn them for free by promoting your co-op link, or you can purchase them or upgrade your account. Okay, so it's all up to you. It depends on, how much time you have. If you have enough time to drive traffic to your co-op link, that is the free way. Just paste your co-op link into your traffic exchanges, your safe list, and drive traffic to it. If not, you can simply upgrade your account, or you can use your commissions to purchase your shop points. Okay, so where you can find your co-op link is by clicking Promote. All right, and this is going to get you started with earning shop points, and you're simply just going to copy the entire link, and you're going to drive traffic to it, okay? And for every unique hit, every unique view that it receives, you earn a shop point, okay? So that's how you can earn shop points that way. Or, as I said, you can purchase them. So the way you purchase them is you'll come down here, and when you click on Purchase Points, you can purchase them here. So say, for instance, 1,000 points. You'll just click on Purchase for $3. And then this little pop-up box will show, and you can choose your way that you want to pay. And you can also use your commissions, okay? So you can either purchase them from the ways that they, have available, or you can simply transfer your commission balance, okay? So you do this by going to Member, clicking on Transfer Balance, enter the amount you want to transfer, and then once you do that, it'll come over here, and then you can just simply go back to the dashboard, scroll down, click on Shop, and then purchase, any amount that you would like to purchase, okay? Or, as I said, you can upgrade your account. So you'll just click on Upgrade, and you can choose one of these, memberships, and each membership has a specific amount that you can earn, as you can see here. When you upgrade, you'll get 6,800, 20,000, 85,000, or 280,000. Okay, so it's all up to you on how you want to get your shop points. Okay, So as you can see, I have 210,000 shop points. All right. So once you have enough shop points to start advertising, you're going to go up here and click on advertising. All right. Now, campaigns allows you to advertise your website directly. Okay. So you'll be sending traffic directly to your website. All right. So you're just going to click on add campaign, add direct link, and then you're just going to enter the name of the website you're promoting. You're going to enter the URL here. All right. And then you're going to enter the real URL here. Okay. So as it says down here, if you are not using a tracking link or a link cloaker or a capture page and are just promoting from the site directly, there is no need to fill in this area, as our system will be able to determine the name of the program you are promoting. Okay. So you're simply just going to enter the actual URL. Of the site. Okay. Then you're going to click on test link. And this is the link that I am promoting. Okay. And that is this link here. All right. That's my tracker link. All right. So once you've tested your link, you're simply going to submit. And then you're going to wait for admin to verify your website. Okay. 9 times out of 10, your website will be accepted as long as it does not violate the terms of service, as long as it's not gambling or, porn or anything of that nature. Your site will be accepted. Okay. So that is how you set up your campaign. Now, once it has been approved, you're simply going to click on add views. Okay. So you'll click on add views, and then you're just going to click how many views you would like to add. All right. So I just click 100. And then as you can see, I have 100 views remaining on this. Then you click on add views. And then you can add, and it comes out of your points here. So you can choose from whatever points. You can choose up to 30,000. And you just choose, and it automatically puts your sites into rotation. So people that are promoting their co-op link, they're going to be driving traffic to your sites right here. Okay. So once you've done that, you can also set up your banners. Now, the great thing about promoting banners on the Downliner is way different than other platforms, because once you set up your banner ad, it gets unlimited views for however long you set it up for. Okay. So as you can see over here, you have 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days. 24 hours uses 250 points. 7 days uses 1,200 points. 30 days uses 2,500 points. And these are unlimited views to your banner. Okay. So you're simply just going to choose the banner size. You have 468 by 60, 125 by 125, and then 728 by 90. Okay. So you choose the banner. You choose how long you want to promote the banner for. You enter the name, the image URL, and make sure this is the image to your banner. You don't want to put your website right there or it will mess up. So the image, and then the target URL is the URL to your website. Okay. So whatever website you want them to go to, that's the URL you put there. You click on preview banner. And once you see down here, if it looks good, you're going to click submit. And then it's simple. It's just the same thing. Once admin verifies your banner and checks it out and makes sure it's good, you'll simply add views. Okay. And the same thing goes for text ads. You simply click on add new text ad, enter all of the details, choose how long, and text ads works exactly the same. However long you choose, you get unlimited views to your text ad. Okay. So make sure you choose something that you want, to last long enough for you. Okay. So once you've done that, you also can choose social posts and login ads, and that is when you logged in. Login ads work absolutely amazing. It is a great way to get, eyeballs on your site individually. I absolutely love login ads. So you can simply click on add new login ad, choose your dates, 1 day, 500 points, and then, put the URL here and add that as well, okay? And login ads for every member that logs in on that day, you're getting a view from that person, okay? So those work absolutely amazing. All right, so once you've done that, you can also view your stats here. So once you've set up all of your campaigns, you can come to the stats page and you can see everything that you have going on within the Downliner, okay? You can see how many referrals you've invited to the platform. You can see how many are upgraded, how many commissions you have, how many views. All of the details that you need are right here. And then you can also see your traffic stats down here, okay? So this is all of the traffic that my links have been getting and exactly the website that they have come from. All right, so this is just a very, very powerful platform to generate traffic on complete autopilot. That way you can spend more time advertising elsewhere, okay? All you need are shop points, all right? Now, another great feature that I absolutely love is that message your downline, okay? You can message your referrals here. You can message your new referrals and welcome them. You can message all of your referrals. You can message the ones that are free and you can prompt them to, upgrade their account. And then you can message your upgraded referrals individually and you can contact your sponsor, okay? So you just simply click here, click on message, and then you just choose which one. Send to your new referrals, send to all referrals, send to your free referrals, and then just type in the subject, the message, and then send. And you can also send them shop points if you want to reward your referrals or just help them out to get started. You can simply enter however many shop points you want to gift to them, and it's going to come out of your balance, okay? So like I said, the Downliner is a powerful, powerful platform. You are very lucky to have joined this website. That is pretty much it. Just get everything set up and going. And also not to forget down here, if you want to join All-in-One Profits, the Downliner also helps you generate signups to your All-in-One Profits account. This is just pretty much an autoresponder service, and they will help you get signups, okay? It's pretty much a team build. So that is it for this tutorial. Go ahead and get everything set up. Start generating those shop points. That way you can start getting some traffic to your website and business and getting some signups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side.